How much money do you need to spend to build a Thar like this? This isn't a usual Thar you see on roads because this one is built, not bought.
I mean, you're fine, but you're not him.
Double FC, so no, I'm super saiyan. You rock up with the boys, got my shooters spraying. Who the fuck tryna step up to the plate? It's okay, cause my boy, he gon' do the slaying.
Alright guys, first look, this is 2021 Mahindra Thar and I'll be honest, camera don't do this justice. Look at this front bumper which is completely replaced and this is from ProMan. You can see that this bumper gives a more aggressive and wider look to this Mahindra Thar. And that front grille gone is stock Thar face. This one looks more aggressive and ready to hunt. The bonnet scoop, this is not just for looks, this adds to that whole beast aesthetics. Look at this wrap guys, this is fully custom Black Panther inspired wrap. And this is not just a sticker job, this is complete art. 18-inch mud-on Camet alloy wheels and this is already sitting on a 2.5-inch lift kit. So it's already taller than your stock Thar. More stance, more presence. And these 6-inch wheel arcs, these are not just filling the space. These are making the whole silhouette wider and more aggressive. Carbon fiber dip door handles, even the smallest thing has been taken care of. Look at this rear bumper as well. This is also completely replaced and this is from ProMan. You see the small details, this Panther edition written here gives it a premium feel and vibe. Look at this texture, how smoothly it flows. And look at that backlight setup. This thing glows at night. This Thar must look absolutely insane on the road. And this windshield guard, and you see there are projector lights mounted on it. And these G-Wagon lights, this guy is not playing around. And we haven't even gone inside yet. Let's go. Come inside, let me show you all this. Carbon fiber steering wheel, custom AC vents, front and rear armrest and a full stereo system and a wireless remote controller for all the lights. Let us break down the pricing and the costing that has been spent to build this Thar. The front bumper is for 40,000. You see these fog lamps, these are for 11,000. You see the front grille, this is for 5,500. Both the LED light setup, this is for 9,500. The bonnet scoop is for 22,000. The windshield guard, this is for 5,500 and the projector lights mounted on it, these are for 8,500. You see these G-Wagon lights, these are 13,000. 1,25,000 for these 18-inch mud-on alloy Camet alloy wheels and there is also a 2.5-inch lift kit installed which is from Dr. Nano and for 88,000 and owner spent 12,000 for the installation of the lift kit, so it is all over 1 lakh. The set of 4-wheel arcs comes for 15,000. You see these door hinges, the set of 2 is for 3,500 and we talk about the backlights. Both the backlights are for 8,500. The bumper, you see the rear bumper comes for 42,000 which is expensive than the front one. 19,000 for the steering. You see the dual tone leather finish on the doors and the seats. These are for 15,000. You see the stereo system. This is for 18,000. The front and rear armrests are for 11,000. And you see these AC vents. These are for 7,500. This is the cost breakdown of the inside. Also the carbon fiber dip completely on the door handles and the inside. This cost the owner for 15,000. Last but not the least, the wrap. This wrap has taken out 40,000 from the owner's pocket. This Thar started as stock and one man's vision turned it into this beast. Turned it into something that stops the traffic, that makes people pull out their phones, that make kids point from their buses. This is what Mod Show is about. I would also like to thank Palaj Bhai, the owner of this Thar, for letting us feature this Thar on our show, and I hope this one is gonna be special. I would also like to ask you guys, please like the video, comment down your thoughts, and also subscribe our channel. That will give us a big motivation. Thank you so much. Keep watching. See you in the next one.